Welcome, my beautiful ladies. Today, we're diving into something that I know matters to all of us: style. As we age, our bodies change, but one thing that should never change is our confidence. And the best way to feel confident is to wear clothes that truly flatter us, especially when we're petite. I know it can be frustrating trying to find clothes that fit just right, that make you feel beautiful and comfortable. We're often faced with garments that don't seem to understand us, right? But today, I'm here to help you skip those wardrobe mistakes that can leave us feeling less than our best. Together, we'll create a wardrobe that highlights the beauty you've always had at every stage of life. Now let's talk about those common fashion pitfalls that petite women over 50 should avoid for a sleeker, more sophisticated look. These aren't just about looking good, they're about feeling amazing in your skin. Let's dive in.
Então, é te dir que
Mistake 1: wearing oversized clothing. You know that feeling when you put on a loose, oversized top and think, this will hide everything I want to cover up? Well, here's the truth. Oversized clothing can actually do the opposite, especially when you're petite. Instead of making you look slimmer, it can overwhelm your frame, making you appear even smaller than you are. Instead, choose clothes that fit but don't cling. A tailored blazer, a well-fitted shirt, or a wrap dress can define your shape and add structure. These are pieces that hug the right places, like your waist or hips, without feeling tight. Remember, darling, it's not about hiding yourself. It's about showcasing the beautiful silhouette that's uniquely yours. Embrace fitted clothing that makes you feel like the confident woman you are.
Sentient.
Tom. Mistake 2: ignoring proportion. Now, let's talk about proportions. It's easy to forget how important this is, but it can make or break an outfit, especially for petite women. If you're wearing a wide leg pant with a boxy top, it can create an unbalanced look, making you appear shorter and stumpy. The trick is to create balance. High-waisted trousers, slim-fit jeans, or skirts that hit just above the knee elongate your legs. Pair these with fitted or structured tops to add definition and prevent that lost in fabric look. And don't forget, your proportions are just as important as the clothes themselves. A balanced outfit will highlight your best features and make you feel more confident. Let's love our natural proportions and play up the beauty we've been blessed with.
Kedant.
Mistake 3: wearing too many layers. While layering is a great way to stay cozy and stylish, too many layers can swamp a petite frame. Think about it. When you pile on jacket after jacket, sweater and scarf, the layers stack up and hide your shape, making you look shorter. Instead of over-layering, keep it simple. Choose one piece that adds depth and dimension, like a lightweight, long cardigan or a structured jacket. Layer with intention. Think of it as adding visual interest without covering yourself up too much. The goal is to add dimension without adding bulk. A slim-fitting base layer with a statement jacket or cardigan will keep you warm, stylish, and elongated. Less is more, my friend. Let's focus on quality over quantity when it comes to layers.
On Tente.
Mistake 4: neglecting the right shoes. Let's be honest. Shoes are so important. The wrong pair can really throw off the entire outfit, and for petite women, the wrong shoes can make us look even shorter. Those chunky, heavy shoes might seem comfy, but they don't help us out when we want to create height and length. Instead, opt for streamlined shoes that elongate your legs. Pointed toe flats, a classic pump, or shoes with a slight heel can work wonders. These styles don't have to be high heels, but they create the illusion of length. Remember, it's not just about the shoe itself, it's about how it makes you feel. A well-chosen shoe should make you feel confident, elegant, and like you could conquer the world. Don't forget, the right pair of shoes can lift your entire outfit and mood.
Taintin.
Mistake 5: choosing the wrong fabrics. We all love a cozy, comfy fabric, but sometimes the wrong fabric can create a lumpy, bulky appearance. Heavy fabrics like thick cotton or bulky wool can make petite frames look, well, less than petite, Instead of hiding your shape, choose fabrics that drape beautifully, like silk, jersey, or lightweight wool. These fabrics have a natural flow, and they won't add bulk to your frame. When in doubt, look for pieces that have some stretch to them. They'll hug your curves in all the right ways without feeling constricting. Fashion should never feel heavy. It should feel like an extension of who you are. Choose fabrics that complement your lifestyle and highlight your natural beauty. You deserve to wear something that feels as light and wonderful as you are.
Ekkint.
Mistake 6. Too many bright colors and patterns. Bright, bold patterns can be fun, but too many can overwhelm your petite frame. When you go overboard with large patterns or neon colors, they can take attention away from you. Rather than highlight your beauty, instead opt for simple, classic colors like navy, black, white, or soft neutrals. These colors are timeless and make it easier to mix and match, creating a wardrobe that's as versatile as it is chic. If you love prints, try smaller patterns or vertical stripes. These patterns naturally elongate the body, creating a taller, leaner silhouette. Remember, it's not about avoiding color, it's about wearing the right ones that make you feel vibrant without overwhelming your look. Mistake 7. Not playing with vertical lines. Vertical lines are your best friend, my petite fashionista. They're the magic trick that adds height and length to your frame, so don't neglect them. Horizontal lines might look cute in some styles, but they can shorten your appearance. Look for clothes that feature vertical seams, pinstripes, or even long, flowing cardigans. These create an illusion of height, drawing the eye upward and elongating your frame. Vertical lines are a simple yet effective way to enhance your natural grace. A few vertical details can make you look taller, leaner, and more elegant.
Ekkint.
Mistake 8. Disregarding tailoring. Finally, let's talk about tailoring. One of the biggest mistakes I see is neglecting to tailor clothes that don't quite fit. Whether it's a dress that's too loose or pants that bunch up at the ankle, it can completely ruin an otherwise fabulous outfit. Tailoring is key for petite women. It ensures that every piece of clothing fits you perfectly, making you look polished and put together. Even inexpensive items look luxe when they're tailored to your shape. Trust me, investing in a good tailor is one of the best decisions you can make. When your clothes fit properly, they enhance your shape and make you feel like $1,000,000. So, there you have it, 8 wardrobe mistakes that every petite woman over 50 should avoid for a sleek, sophisticated look. Remember, it's not about trying to fit into someone else's style. It's about finding what works for you, what makes you feel confident, and what brings out the elegance you've always had inside. If you've learned something today, I'd love to hear from you. Which wardrobe mistake are you going to skip from now on? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more style tips that will keep you feeling confident and chic. You deserve a wardrobe that makes you feel amazing at any age, and I'm here to help you with that journey. Let's keep embracing our beauty and confidence together.